This isn't just a car. It's a challenge. A 2017 Mustang GT left for dead until Westen Champlin decided to bring it back to life.
RDMS.
Give me life, give me life.
Bent frame, shattered panels, a heartbroken Coyote engine. Most would walk away. But Westen? He sees potential where others see scrap. First step, extraction. That wounded 5.0-liter V8? Out it goes. Time to make room for something bolder. Enter the new heart, a built engine, primed for power.
RDMS.
With a massive turbocharger, this Mustang isn't just getting a second chance, it's getting a whole new identity. Custom fabrication? Check. Precision welding? Absolutely. Westen transforms chaos into craftsmanship, piece by piece. With the new powerhouse in place, this Mustang is no longer a fallen hero, it's a rising legend. Ignition. The beast awakens, roaring with newfound fury. This isn't just a rebuild, it's a resurrection. From the garage to the streets, the transformed Mustang proves its mettle. Burnouts, speed runs, and that unmistakable growl, it's back and better than ever. Westen Champlin doesn't just rebuild cars, he redefines them.
God dang, it's loud when you...
This 2017 Mustang GT stands as a testament to vision, skill, and unyielding determination. From wreckage to wonder, this journey inspires gearheads and dreamers alike. Because with passion and perseverance, anything is possible. If you enjoyed this transformation, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic rebuilds, and join us as we explore the incredible world of automotive resurrection.